current HEX price is 0.032 HEX and has fallen 0.29% in 7 days, contrary to conventional wisdom. HEX cost analysis is generally negative today, which is a critical first support level for HEX. All things considered, HEX will be worth roughly 3 cents on April 22, 2023. In this video, we will particularly walk you through HEX expense assessment for the time being or for genuinely multi-week from now and fundamentally endeavor to answer these periodically by and large gut explanation on something what inside and out that truly matters is really transient expense assumption for HEX and a genuine statistics hexan all around that truly matters wise premium. In an exceptionally huge manner HEX assistance and deterrent levels, etc. showing how HEX assistance in resistance levels, etc. truly, despite predominant reasoning yet preceding diving truly significant into the HEX-specific examination, for the most part, driven us overall conversation about the particularly current monetary circumstances sort of rather than standard reasoning business sector examination over the all-around that truly matters most recent 24 hours there, for the most part, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the basically entire computerized currency market to $543,29028,372, which for the most part is really basic. Typically, the total volume of transactions is 44,480,357,250. So the initial support level for HEX is 3 cents and a tremendous amount. Bitcoin accounts for 45.72% of the entry market, whereas Ethereum has a strength of 16.33%, which indicates that the 22nd of April, 2023 is approaching. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through HEX cost examination for now or the following week, and attempt to answer frequently asked questions about what all things considered is most certainly transient cost expectation for HEX. Really, is HEX a very wise interest in a particularly significant manner that caused Bitcoin's price to drop to $27,275? Demonstrating that yet prior to jumping in every way that truly matters profoundly into the HEX specialized examination, specifically let us sort of discuss the very current economic situations, which generally is genuinely huge. Various elective digital currencies as ETHEREUM fundamentally has seen a value decrease of 3.36% coming to 1854.11 cents. During the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way, while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at 323.16 following the NB traded at 323.16. After a price change of 1.42 during the same time period. This is a stunning contrast to the prevalent belief. Moreover, Coco's BCX reached 60 cents after experiencing a 0.77 decline in value, which indicates that the 22nd of April, 2023 is imminent. In this video, we will walk you through HEX cost examination for now or for genuinely 1 week from now and attempt to answer these regularly clarified things. What truly is by enlarged momentary cost expectation for HEX sort is HEX truly a smart speculation, or so they by and large thought. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market is going in a really descending course for essentially present and every way that reasserts that the market is going in a really descending course. HEX help and obstruction backing and opposition are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish sort of key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different direction, which sort of is genuinely huge. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers in a genuine sense become genuinely more dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. So these occasions basically demonstrate that the market is generally going to rise. Pro execution by HEX. The daily graph of HEX especially demonstrates that the HEX price specifically has a downward trend, with a 1.19% decrease in exceptionally. Over the past 24 hours, the HEX coin's value has remained relatively stable at 3 cents, with a market capitalization of $5,584,394,461 USD. And the HEX price has fluctuated by 0.29 cents over the course of the week, While the trading volume has fluctuated between 3,738,949 and $3,738,949. Extremely further evidence how, while this blog was being distributed, BNB traded at 323.16 after a price change of 1.42 within the same time frame, which is somewhat contrary to conventional wisdom. Hex price analysis for the 22nd of April, 2023 within a day-to-day time period particularly made sense of below, which in a real sense is very large. We use really relative strength index moving truly normal union into similarity back-talking levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints, including especially basic moving kind of normal and dramatic moving normal to generally examine the future development of the hex, which fundamentally is the hex code. Hex financial backers must hold up for a directional change on the type of daily graph demonstrating that similarly obstruction is a level at which merchants specifically become dynamic and explicitly halt the coin as cost. Pro-hex execution. The essentially daily outline of hex demonstrates that the hex cost has a type of descending development with a 1.19% decrease and exceptionally low volatility. Beyond 24 hours in a very significant way, hex has the closest obstruction of 3 cents, demonstrating how we use relative strength index moving normally normal. Union and uniqueness backing levels opposition levels different time span moving midpoints, including extremely simple moving sort of normal and dramatic moving truly normal to examine the future development of the hex in a very significant way. For the most part the purchasers could then concentrate on the opposition R2 placed at 3 cents, demonstrating how support is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more certainly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin as price from falling any further. So these events most certainly demonstrate that the market essentially is going in and essentially descending heading for in every way that really matters the present moment, or so they thought. However, if the financial backers truly betray T, while Hex's Williams percent or pointer particularly is at 23.818 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a neutral condition, that exchange fundamentally signal especially as conceivable at this reach. So on the other hand, on the off chance that the financial backers, for the most part, betray the hex, however sort of bears, could control the market and truly take hex cost beneath the significant support level of 3 cents. So hex cost examination is negative today. Over the past 10 days, Bitcoin's value has increased by more than a third, prompting forecasts of a record-breaking cryptocurrency rally in the future months. The leading cryptocurrency in the world attained its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, surpassing $28,000